The trap 3 bag.
Yeah, and the next video we're gonna unbox that one.
Yeah. Here it is. I guess it actually is very hard to find. I believe Earth, Chaos.
Yeah.
Earth, Chaos,
No.
and Air. What? Oh, and my little brother Jake is gonna help me. Wait.
And we got the big one.
Yes, and the dark blue. Wait, can I go? You go get that to show in the next video. That's okay. Here. That one, I'm very excited about that one. But this one is.
Yeah, and we got the
I have to check on it. But
and we got the slider and the bloody pot.
yes. I have the tech cans already, but those two are very rare, so. Let's unbox this.
Yeah, but wait for me.
Wait. Nice thing, like over. There.
I just got this.
Whoa. Can I see that? I'll take out the earth trap.
Now put giant and this lollipop.
The lollipops was like
Great.
in that. Great, come over here if you want.
I want to open this one and this one. Hey!
Sorry.
You open this one. I open this one. You didn't open this one.
Come on. You just press. No, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Drake, what do you have? What is that?
Bunny trap.
Oh my god! That's pretty cool. Look. Compare that to that. Big, small, small, big, small, big. And it looks like his ball alone. His mouth and his eyes. Hurt. Because of the hair. Because chaos. Black.
Can you open this?
Yeah. So excited.
Give it to me now, Luke.
Here. Alright. You can play swords. Let's
No, you're gonna be. I'm gonna be this short and you're gonna be this.
yeah. Hands.
Hands.
Oh, this thing looks stiff.
No, change it.
Hands.
Show me.
Here.
Who wants a lollipop?
What's that?
Who wants a lollipop? Who wants a lollipop?
Let me get it closer.
Who wants a lollipop?
Tap the screen to get it like. less
Do you want this one?
Here. Here's this one.